working on a subzero 690. 690F. Problem is it does not. It's full of ice. There isn't a problem with the heating element. They're both fine. They show about 640 ohms. That's where the main card is. There are two screws, 1 and 2. That's 1 and 2 screws, and then this spring holds the plate in place now. So you open those two screws, you have to push the plate and take it out. Those are the temperatures. So there's either a problem with one of the protectors or with one of the sensors. I'm going to check the sensors. There's one sensor. There's two sensors. Or sensor number 2. It's probably another sensor. It's probably another sensor here, but that doesn't interest me. And probably two sensors in here, because I think that it's got a separate. It's got a separate cooling system because the 1, 2 compressors. Is the wiring diagram? Model 690. It's the card. It's the high voltage circuit. Here's the way how to take it out. Just a second. First, take out this plug. It's the plug for the buttons. Then here, second, now put it back. Then here's those. Focus, you fucker. Have to unlatch those. Then unlatch those. 1, 2, and then the card will slide out. And of course, those are the sensors. And that's the electric. Okay.